Okay, boys, today in math, we are going to start our lesson. The name of the lesson is time. Okay, what is the name of our lesson today? The name of lesson today is time. Page number 53. First of all, we are going to discuss how to see the time. As we have already discussed it earlier, but we are going to revise it.
Without you starting now.
So open page number 53 of your Maths Learner's book. Okay, what time is it?
Hello, teacher.
It's, what is the time, boys?
8 o'clock. 8?
Yes, how do we know that it is 8 o'clock? How do we know it is 8 o'clock? Because the small handle is on 8 and the big handle is on 12. That is why the time is 8 o'clock. Okay, now what is the time? Is it 11:50, 10:15, or 10 o'clock? As you can see, the small handle is on 10 and the big handle is 12. So it is 10 o'clock. Okay, now you are going to tell me, just write, what is the time now? Is it 4, 7, or 6? So the big handle is on 12 and the small handle is on 6. That means the time is 6 o'clock. Okay, now this is the difficult one. With the small handles, we know that what is an hour, and with the big handle, we are going to know what is the minutes. So the small handle is near to, and the big handle is on 10. So tell me, boys, what is the time now? No, Turkey, it's not 2 o'clock. It is 2.50. Okay, now the small handle is 12 on 12, but the big handle is between 4 and 5. So when we count, when the big handle is on 1, it is 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Well, if it is on 5, it will be 25, but it is between 4 and 5. So the time is 12:22. Okay, now what is the time? It's 5 o'clock. Albara, you're right. Okay, when the needle is on 12, it is o'clock. When it is on 3, it is past. When it is on 6, half past. When it is here, we will say 25 to. Okay, 35 to, or you can say 25 to. When the needle is on this side of 12, it is, we use to, the word to. When the needle is on right hand side of the clock, we use the word past. 12 past 5, 12 past 10, 12 past 15, 12 past 20, 12 past 25, half past 12, half past 12, 25 to. Okay, here what we are going to use, we are going to use to. when we are telling the time. Coming back to the book, let's see what is the book saying. I know we have did this topic before. It is just a revision. So let's see, solve the question from the book. I can catch 12 times in 1 minute. So you have to tell what you can do in 1 minute. Look, here it is 1 minute. When the minute needle or handle is moving and it starts from 12 and it moves and get back to 12, it means 1 minute is full. So now you have to judge what you can do in 1 minute. The girl here is saying I can catch a ball 12 times in 1 minute. What can you do in 1 minute? Here, the students or the children are bouncing the ball. So they can bounce the ball 12 times in 1 minute. What they can do, they can bounce the ball 12 times in 1 minute. Okay, what about her? She can write her name 30 times in 1 minute. She can write her name 30 times in 1 minute. Here, the boy can make a tower with the blocks in 1 minute. How many blocks is he using? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. He can make a tower in 1 minute. Here, the girl is jumping. Let's see how many times she can jump in 1 minute. Here, the boy is counting the beads. How many beads can he count in 1 minute? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, the students are clapping. Let's see. So, if you have a ball, you can do it in the home also. That how many times you can bounce a ball in 1 minute. So, here we will write 12 times. 12 times bounce the ball. 30 times she can write her name. 5 times he can build the tower. Okay, how many times can you jump? So all of you jump and let's see how many times you can jump in 1 minute. Then you can write it in the chat section that how many times you can jump in 1 minute. Okay, Albara can jump 9 times. So right here, 9 times you can jump in 1 minute. Okay, now clapping. How many clapping you can do in just 1 minute? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. More than 16, or you can say more than 18. You can clap in 1 minute. Okay, here they are playing with the string. So what do you think, boys? How many times they can? Okay, not 28 times. You can say it is near 20. Near 20 they can. She can jump in the string. As you know, we were discussing time. There are two types of clock, analog clock and the digital clock. First, we will see analog clock. This is analog clock and this is digital clock. In analog clock, we use needles, but in the digital clock, we have the digits, just we have to see them. These are called hands. What are they called? They are called hands. Hour hand and minute hand. Hour hand and minute hand. What time is it? 3 o'clock. What time is it now? Tell me, boys, what is the time now when the hour handle is on 7? So it means it is 7 o'clock. What time is it now? Anyone? It is 1 o'clock. What time is it now? Yes, you can write in the chat section. Turkey, you are right. It is. Now it is 10 o'clock. What time is it now? When the needle is on 8, it means 8 o'clock. Okay, now we are going to discuss minutes. What time is it? From 12 to 1, we have 5, 2, 30. Because from 12 to 1, it is 5. From 1 to 2, it is 10. From 2 to 3, it is 15. From 3 to 4, it is 20. From 4 to 5, it is 25. And from 5 to 6, it is 30. Understood? What is time now? Who is going to tell me? 11, 15, 5, 5 o'clock. Okay. What time is it now? 5, 8, 20, 8:20. Sorry, not 8:25. 10, 5, 7, 55. Okay, next topic of our is days of the week that we are going to start in the next class. For the meanwhile, we are going to solve okay, here. What time is it?